Hello everybody, I am here on the floor and I am going to give you an unboxing today. So today in the post arrived a box. In that box is a fragrance and I'm going to share it with you. So are you ready? Are you sure? I know I am. Let's go. So in the box, I've already opened the main cardboard box. You can see we have some protective balls of air, bags of air, and then we have our fragrance. Can you see what it is? Can you tell? You ready? So let's go, open this up and see what's inside. See what jewels await us. So that's the box. Is in some more cellophane that needs removing, but much tighter. And you can see it's Panna. It says Panna Luxe Gourmandic Orange. Gourmandic Orange. Here we go. So I have reviewed this fragrance from the sample that they sent me, and they were really, really kind and said they would send me a full bottle once they were available. So that is exactly what they've done. Thank you, Panna. I really, really appreciate it because I do genuinely really like this fragrance. I can't get into it though. Okay, I'll just read to you what it says. Extrait de parfum. So this is not an eau de parfum. Right, I'm now armed and dangerous. So I'm just gonna break into that. The extrait de parfum, so we are talking a very strong fragrance. So here we are now, cellophane is off and there's a really nice texture to this box. The sides are goldy coloured and there it tells you what it is and some ingredients as well. So let's open it up. So this opens up from the bottom like that. Oh, we've got a card in here and there is the fragrance. Looks amazing. I can only see it on the viewfinder. Let's have a look in real life. Oh my god, this is stunning. There's been photos on Instagram and every time I see them I think, wow, that looks really good. But in real life, this bottle is beautiful. So that there feels smooth. So I wondered if it felt velvety, but it doesn't. It feels smooth there. Let's get it out the box, if I can. If I can. And there we go. So we have crystals. Oh my god, I love crystals, I love sparkles, I love glitter, I love anything shiny and sparkly. And that, my friends, is a beautiful bottle. So nothing much to show you around the outside. You've got on the bottom, just tells you that it's extrait de parfum, natural spray, 30 mils, and some small writing that I can't possibly read. Just want to make sure you can really appreciate how gorgeous that is, because trust me, it looks better in real life than you can possibly imagine. So that's the bottle. I need to get over the bottle. And let's make my scent of the night. So my scent of the day today was Shalimar Soufflé de Parfum, but that was sprayed at least 10 hours ago, so there's barely anything left up here. So let's go for it. Here we go. That was extrait, so I'm just going to do 3. Oh, I love it. So actually, when you first spray it, it does remind me of Eau de Missions, which is that lovely vanilla fragrance. It kind of smells like vanilla-y and rosy almost, but it just smells rich and delicious and edible. It absolutely smells vanillic. Let's go some here as well. It smells very vanillic and slightly boozy as well. And it's a chocolate orange fragrance, but this is not a typical direct interpretation of a chocolate orange. And I've said it many times before, and I will say it again because I don't expect that you have seen all my videos. I don't take that for granted. This could be your first time. And if it is your first time, I'd like to welcome you aboard. Welcome to Planet Smurfy. But if it is your first time, you don't know that I do like gourmands a lot. I love gourmands, but I don't like a olfactorial, realistic interpretation. So if I want to smell exactly like a lemon pie, I'll probably just smear lemon pie all over myself. I like to smell hints of a dessert or sweets, but I also want to smell something that makes it more interesting. I like fragrance to have layers, and I like it to change on my skin. A lot of gourmands can kind of stay the same all the way through. I just prefer a perfume journey. It makes life more interesting, and this definitely does that. Oh, it's changed already. It's gone a bit peachy actually. It's gone a bit peachy and a little bit fruity. This is absolutely not just a chocolate orange. Trust me on that. Please have a look at my review. I will link it below. I think we'll leave it there. I'm just going to leave it with that. You absolutely have to appreciate that beautiful bottle. So another big thank you to Panna London. I really appreciate that you sent me this. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's going to look great against the other Panna London fragrances I've got, especially the ones with the same shaped bottle, like Pineapple Essenza. It's going to look fabulous. My little Panna collection I'm very, very excited to have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.